Guys, we're downtown, City Kingston. Welcome to Steve and Marie's lifestyle. Let me just give you a glimpse of what Kingston City looks like when it is raining. We're trying to find pots for farming on the rocks. Farming on the rocks peeps don't like this type of stuff. You like it, so don't babe.
Yeah, we have to share.
We have to share
every
it.
experience.
Yes.
Yeah?
This is downtown Kingston. And we're trying to make our way down. It is Wednesday, so Kingston lock half day. So we're trying to make our way to a wholesale before they close to get some pots.
Especially when rain. You know, Jamaicans love when rain fall.
No,
When rain fall, everything done. You know. Business
Lockdown.
Can't go work.
You can imagine, and if them go foreign, you know, remember all nice snow. Work, I figure, no.
Not coming into work today.
Look here, today is Wednesday and look how Kingston City pack up.
Yeah.
Hey, me no like downtown when rain falls still, you know. Too much water, me terrified of water for my foot, you know.
Yeah.
Look here. We're going around in circles because we usual store lock. Rain a fall, business now open.
What do you say? That's the one you locked to?
It locked too? And I free right here, so we go.
Oh, the blue one. N and S.
Yes, it open. We're going here, so go see if we find any pot. Yes man, it open 128 right there, so. Guys, me afraid. Look water. I wanna carry an umbrella, you know?
Wait, the vehicle behind there. Wait.
To move? So we can get a little closer. Mercy. Must find two pots in here, so. Hi. You sell me some pot the other day. Oh, you have some big one? How much for them on here? You never have them here the other day? Yeah?
One time I come and never did have them.
How much for it? How much for them here?
6 wholesale.
6 wholesale, alright. Alright, give me 6 of them here. Yeah, them here can plant pepper, you know. And I saw them bottom little bit. I saw them bottom little. Yeah, them here will work. Rain like wow outside. Yeah man, them big enough. Give me 6 of them. How much for 6 now? 6,636, 3,000 something. May I forgot brave the water with them here. Yeah. Of course, hold on there, love.
Oh, I'm not saying, I'm saying.
Here, sweetie. Here. Alright. So these girls, they work very little, so if you can help them out with a loan, sometimes they appreciate it. Look at that. Alright, so we pack them and we out.
Trying to get out of this place.
Look here. We leave all our window them open.
May I tell you, I only hope where I get the rain.
From the garden,
farm,
though. So, we're head back down the gully when we go home, go look. Things to help full up them pot here. Plant some pepper and some
We're
tomatoes.
downtown.
This,
Papa.
oh,
We're
he's
downtown.
asking what is this place?
Yeah,
This place is downtown Kingston. This is what? Pichan Street?
No? Pichan Street at the next one. I don't know that one.
You don't know what this name? I don't know neither. We're rocking and rolling through downtown Kingston. You mean I see some parts downtown now. What is this? Them deliver, you know. You buy your grocery and then deliver it. Yeah. I don't trust them something they do. I love pick and choose them I want to buy.
Yeah. It's a rainy day.
I can't believe it. Nobody told me this.
No.
This place is downtown Kingston.
What's this place?
You know, over farming on the rocks, they always ask, you don't look like you live Kingston, you look like you live Portland, or you look like you live St. Mary. Because usually when you say Kingston, this is what them visualize. Like just the city part. Then the real. And another thing is Kingston start from Kingston 2 all the way up to Kingston 20.
St. Andrew.
So that is
St. Andrew.
St. Andrew really.
Yeah.
But once we pass Golden Spring, we say we live at Kingston. What here's your name again, baby? Parade?
Yeah. This will be not Parade.
See, Ward Theatre over there, so the famous Ward Theatre. You know, at one point them said they were going to renovate it, and they just stopped. Why? It's such an historic place in Jamaica. It is such an historic place. It's just sad. Look at it. Huge building.
Wait, boss.
See what I'm afraid of there? That water on the floor.
Road.
I'm afraid of that bad, you know. Look here. Me just afraid. You see one bit smaller? Dirty water give me wingworm flashing on my face.
Yeah.
And give me wingworm, my entire face cover with ringworm. And you know mother use and get rid of. Guys, I call my late mother. She make her own cocoa butter from chocolate, the same chocolate we pick on we go St. Mary. And she parch it and beat it and get the oil out of it and use it and rub my face every day, and the ringworm go away. We don't know about no ringworm ointment and no Whitfield ointment. No, she make her own thing. So from then, like water give me dirty water give me extreme anxiety. Can't deal with it, none at all.
Daddy, it's a 50 bus.
Yes.
Did you count 15 buses? It's a lot of buses. Central Police Station there.
Hey, what the 50?
15 buses. So we're heading back east. I'm from the eastern side of Kingston and St. Andrew. Guys, we call Kingston and St. Andrew Kingston. The whole thing we call Kingston.
Our town.
Our town. We live at town.
Town.
The minute you pass Golden Spring, you live at town.
We were told.
50 bus.
Nobody cannot cross it. Gotcha, man? Just drizzle, rain, drizzle, and look on downtown Kingston.
Flooded.
50.
Mercy. Heading out of the concrete jungle, back up to the bush.
Yep.
Alright guys, that is Kingston City when it's raining. When it's drizzling, you don't want to see it when it's raining. Baby said bye until tomorrow.
Bye guys.
See you in the next video.
See you in the next video. Take care.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe if subscribe if you've not already subscribed, guys, and support the cause. We appreciate you all. Take care. Bye bye.